morning to all of you. My name is Sudan Chahar and today we will discuss a beautiful poem, Fire and Ice by Robert Frost. This poem was firstly published in 1920 as its title resembles fire and ice. Here, fire resembles passion, desire, and ice means hatred, as its title is Fire and Ice. So let's begin with our first stanza.
Okay, so fire here means desire and passion. Passion, desire for anything in the world, whatever we want to fulfill in our life, in our to achieve our goals, it resembles this kind of desire and this kind of passion. And ice here it means hatred. किसी से बहुत ज्यादा हेट करना, बहुत ज्यादा किसी के लिए जेलसी होना, that means ice, hatred. Sometimes we say he is as cold as ice. It means what? It means कि उसमें बहुत ज्यादा नफरत है, कि वो बहुत ज्यादा when someone is without emotions. So our first stanza is, some say the world will end in fire and some say in ice. From what I have tasted of desire, I hold with those who favor fire. So here the poet Robert Frost describes about the world कि ये पूरा का पूरा world है वो कैसा है. Here poet is talking about the different opinions about the world. इसमें बोलता है कि जैसे जो कुछ लोग हैं, वो कुछ साइंटिस्ट हैं, वो ये बिलीव करते हैं कि जो ये पूरा का पूरा संसार है ये किस में खत्म होगा, पूरे फायर में खत्म होगा. ठीक है, क्योंकि वो कुछ ना कुछ अपनी लाइफ में अचीव करना चाहते हैं. एज वी कैन नोटिस कि बहुत ज्यादा जो लोग सक्सेसफुल हुए हैं अपनी लाइफ के अंदर, वो किस वजह से हुए, क्योंकि उनके अंदर किसी न किसी चीज को लेके पैशन था. एंड सम से इन आइज, और कुछ लोग ये बोलते हैं कि जो ये पूरा का पूरा द वर्ल्ड विल एंड इन हेट्रेड, इन आइज. सो बट व्हाट पोएट थिंक्स इज दैट from what I have tasted of desire, but poet here believes that कि मैं बिलीव करता हूं कि जो ये पूरा का पूरा वर्ल्ड है ये डिजायर के अंदर खत्म होगा. आई होल्ड विद दोज हु फेवर फायर, कि पॉइंट ऐसे सोचता है कि उसे पर्सनली ये लगता है कि जो पूरा का पूरा वर्ल्ड है वो फायर की वजह से खत्म होगा, समथिंग जो कि डिजायर की वजह से खत्म होगा. वी कैन टेक एग्जाम्पल लाइक APJ अब्दुल कलाम थे, वो बहुत कुछ करना चाहते थे अपनी लाइफ में बिकॉज उनके डिजायर थी कुछ करने की. सिमिलरली हिटलर था, हिटलर ने क्या किया था, पूरे के पूरे वर्ल्ड को रूल किया था उन्होंने बिकॉज उनकी डिजायर थी कि वो पूरा के पूरे वर्ल्ड में रूल करें. तो these are the example, these are the two opinions. Some will think about the world will end in fire, other are think that the world will end in ice or in hatred. So this stanza is over. So about the next stanza, okay, and what about the second stanza? But if it had to perish twice, I think I know enough of hate to say that for destruction ice is also great and would suffice. Okay, so here poet is described that what happened if he had to perish twice. What does perish means? Perish means die, to die, मतलब मरना. पॉइंट ये बोलता है, पॉइंट डिस्क्राइब्स दैट अगर उसके पास लाइफ में ऐसा ऑफर हुआ या फिर कुछ ऐसा हुआ कि वो 2 बार मरे, या फिर कोई भी बंदा लाइफ में 2 बार मरे, या फिर वो सोचता है कि इफ इट हैड टू पेरिश ट्वाइस, इफ it would have a chance to live twice, to die twice, then he think that I know enough of hate, कि hate is also sufficient to die him, कि ऐसे भी हो सकता है कि वो hate से मरे, कि वो ice से मरे. To say that for destruction ice is also great and would suffice. Another thing is repeat. I think Boyd is saying he think that hate is also enough to die to end this world. And for destruction ice is also great and would suffice. What does suffice means? Suffice means it is sufficient, कि ice पे equally sufficient है. क्या होता है, जैसे कि सपोज बहुत ज्यादा हमारे अब तक के, अब अगर हम हमारी हिस्ट्री को उठाएं तो बहुत ज्यादा वार हुए थे. वॉर्स में क्या होता था, सारी की सारी चीजें इसलिए होती थी क्योंकि बहुत ज्यादा हेट थी, लोग एक दूसरे को मारना चाहते थे. एंड हमने देखा जितनी भी लड़ाइयां हुई थी उनके अंदर भी सिमिलरली थिंग्स व्हाट हैपन। तो पॉइंट को इसलिए लगता है कि हेट की वजह से भी ऐसे हो सकता है कि जो पूरा का पूरा वर्ल्ड है वो एंड हो जाए। ओके, so this poem is finished. Overall, the poet is trying to say that about his opinion, his personal opinion about the world. How can world will end in fire, in desire, passion, or in hatred? Okay, so now let's discuss the literary device. What are the literary devices in this poem? Let's begin with title, Fire and Ice. Just like we say, he is very cold as ice. He is very like he is having very kind of keen passion regarding something. So these are the things that only happens in a living being. So we can define by this. This is a literary device of personification. When we compare something with living thing, then we called it personification. Another thing is that another literary device is that enjambment. Enjambment में क्या होता है? When we describe something without any punctuation mark in the end and without any comma or without any full stop, then we say that it is enjambment. Enjambment. Just like some say the world will end in fire, there is no comma, there is no punctuation mark. Some say in ice, the whole is totally one sentence. Okay, and another thing is there is alliteration. Alliteration, if two words are same, begin with the same consonant sound, just like some and say, both the words starting with S consonant. So this is alliteration. And another one is anaphora. If the same thing is repeat again and again in the poem, then we would say it anaphora, like some say and again the some say. Okay, so
I hope you like this poem. If you have any doubt and any query, then you can contact me, and this is a very easy poem. So thank you very much.